And the answer is this. Whatever language you're trying to learn, second language, and of course you're all learning a second language. I mean, that's what they require you to do in high school, right? You got to take that compulsory thing. Well, guess what? It's a really good idea because it builds your vocabulary for the SAT. If it's a Romance language, give me examples of Romance language. Spanish, Italian, French. One last, starts with a P.
Portuguese.
Portuguese, very good. Yeah, those are the primary, what they call Romance languages. That's tip number 42. A really good idea is to study a Romance language. Another good idea, study a Germanic language.
I heard that, like the Latin stuff helps you. Like
Yeah, why not go a little bit more current? Something about knowing that you're studying a dead language that really turns the brain off. It's like, what is the point of doing this?
What about German?
Well, it's interesting because when you know German, you begin to understand Anglo-Saxon. And that was like, there's this big understanding. I'm going to call it tip number 43, although it's not really an SAT tip. It is a bigger picture tip. Can anyone tell me what happened in 1066?
No.
It has something to do with Romance languages and the English language.
oh, let me see. Is it like the French went to like England or something?
Yeah, did they go on a fishing trip, or were they just vacationing? Yeah, war. We always study about it because it's a war. That's right, William the Conqueror, Battle of Hastings. He, basically said, I'm in charge now and I speak French. Guess what you guys are going to speak? And he made it illegal for anybody to speak English. Well, they still did. But what happened is now you have two names for dog, two names for it is prohibited, right? They said, no, it's forbidden. It's prohibited to use the word forbidden. Right? And so, but verboten comes from German, so you actually know some German, you just have to change how you pronounce it. And you're lucky, you got Spanish in your home. If you went and started studying some German, whoa.
Well, I am right now, actually.
Seriously, I find it unusual.
I'm talking to this girl and she's German, so
Hey,
I'm studying German.
so that's a good reason to study German. That's also a really good way. Yes, studying in a lab is an excellent way, but this right here, all you do is you said, hi, I understand you're a student at a language school and that Steve is your teacher. Well, Steve's my teacher too. And he says that you're looking for a local teenager. I'm assuming everybody's here, what, under 20, more or less?
29.
Oh, cool. Great. And you have to take the SAT.
I want to.
Oh, got it. Okay. That's cool. Under 30. Everyone here's under 30, right? And that's what they're looking for. They don't want an old guy like me. They say, Steve, where's the good place to go? I hear Blue Martini. I hear, Crowbar, whatever. What's the scene? And I say, I don't know. I don't know. I don't go there, right? Okay, and so you guys have much better information than I do. And these people want to speak with you, either by email or, hey, they're here. Now, wouldn't it be interesting, who has Facebook? Facebook? Okay, one of the advantages of having Facebook